Just raise your hand. Yes, yes, I see many hands now. I'm happy that you can hear me. I'm so happy that you can hear me. Today is let's check the date for today. Today is the 30th of April 2020. Today is Thursday. I'm your numeracy teacher. My name is Nozipo Makowe. I'm so excited for today. You know what? Let's see why I'm so excited. We are going to count. We count in math, count every day. When you go to the kitchen, you count how many times did you go to the kitchen, how many things did you take when you were in the kitchen. We count everything. Every day we count in mathematics. We are going to play our game, mental maths. We are going to do repeated addition. Repeated addition is multiplication. We are continuing with multiplication by 3. Are you ready? Did you practice? Did you do your homework? I hope so. You wrote 3 times as I gave you the homework while memorizing. Now let's start counting. We are going to count in 3s. Listen, we are going to count in 3s, not in 10s. We are starting at 3. I want you to count as I'm counting. I'm going to ask the host to unmute you. Remember, we don't count too slow. We are grade 2s. We are not grade 1s. Ne? So let's start counting. Just follow me.
3, 1, 2, 6, 9,
Counting.
9, 12,
9, 12. Tlantla, are you counting? See your mouth moving there.
1,
9,
15, 18, 13, 21,
18, 1, 4, 27, 8.
30.
Again. 3, 6, 5. Are you 6, 9, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27.
Don't share.
Good. Let's go to the next page. Time for our mental maths. Before, we want the number before 25, the number after 25. Before, we are counting backward when you say before. After, we are going forward. The number after 25. The number before 24, before 25. Give me the number before 25. Quick, Spume, quick. I want that number before 25. What is the number before 25? It's 24. The number before 25 is 24. 4. Can you see that we are counting backwards? The number after 25. The number after 25. Musa, give me the number after 25. 26. Can you see now here? We are counting forward. 24, 25, 26. We are playing with numbers. Now let's go to number 2. 88. The number before 88. Give me the number quick before 88. 87. Can you see here? We are going backward. 88, 87. Give me the number after 88. Give me the number after 88. 89. 89. Excellent. Clap hands for yourself if you got it right. We play games every day with numbers. We play games every day with numbers. We are not bored. We play games with numbers every day in the house. What do you see there? Do you know this thing? What is it? It is a pot. It is a pot. This pot has how many legs? This pot has how many legs? Spume, this pot has how many legs? Yes, this pot has 3 legs. How many pots do we see here? How many pots do we see here? We see 1 pot. We see 1 pot. This is 1 pot which has 3 legs. This pot has 3 legs. Let's write. It has 3 legs. Then that's when now we are going to use our sign multiplication. We have 1 pot that has 3 legs. We have 1 pot that has 3 legs. 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals to, can you give me the answer? 1 times 3 equals to 3. 1 times 3 equals to 3. We have only 1, which has 3 legs. 1 pot which has 3 legs. Let's go to number 2 now. Let's look now. We have sweets. We have sweets which are in groups. Which are in group. Group 1. Let's say, count with me. Group 1. Group 2. Say group 2. Group 3. Group 4. I want to see your mouth. Group 5. We have 5 groups here. We have 5 groups. Each group has how many sweets? This group has 3 sweets. We start writing. This group has 3 sweets. This group has 3 sweets. This one also has how many sweets? 3 sweets. This group has how many sweets? 3 sweets. 3 sweets. 3 sweets. Now we are going to add. I said multiplication is repeated addition. You see it's repeating 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's repeating, repeating, and repeating. So now let's count these sweets. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We have 15. We have 15. All the sweets are 15. Let us write it. 3, the first group, the second group, the third group, the fourth group, the fifth group. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. We are adding them. We got our answer, which is 15. 15. Now we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply. We are going to multiply. Everybody must just leave my screen so I can be able to write. We are going to multiply now. Okay, now we say how many groups of 3 do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 groups. We have 5 groups of 3. We have 5 groups of 3. Here are the 5. 5 is for the groups. We have 5 groups of 3. All these groups has 3. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 groups of 3. Then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Our answer is 15. Our answer is 15. We have 5 groups of 3. Then they give us 15. Here is our 15. They give us 15. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. This is the same answer as that answer. This answer is for repeated addition. Repeated addition equals to is the same. We had 15 here. We have 15 also here. Do you understand? Does everybody on the same page as all of us? Now here I want to teach you another method for you to get the answer. When they say 6 times 3, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3. You can go to your chart and start counting, looking for 3, 3. How many 3s are we going to look here? We want 6 3s. We start 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. We can see we have covered how many 3s? 6. We have covered how many 3s? 6. You can use your chart. It will also help you to calculate quickly. Your chart will help you to calculate 3s because you are going to count in 3s. Now let's use the object now. Let's see when we use the object. 6 times 3 equals to 18. We found 18. Let's use our object now to give us the same answer. To give us the same answer. Let's count how many groups do we have here. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6. We have 6 group. This group has how many apples? Is it apples or what? Maybe it's just something to play with. They have just made it in the shape apple. So let's count how many in each group. 1, count with me. 1, 2, 3, found 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. We have 6 threes here. Then let's count. 3, 6. Are you counting? Boingi, are you counting? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Do you see when we multiply, we count quickly? When we multiply, we count quickly. We found 18 here is the same as this one we found when we're using our chart. We found the same answer as we were using our chart. Let's write it also here that we found 18. There is our 18. It's the same, equals to, we start equals to 18. They are all 18. Did you get it correct also? I hope so. Let's do another example, but I want you to do this one. It is your turn. I want you to do this one. Count the groups, count the groups. Let's count the groups. Let's start here. 7 times 3. 7 groups of 3. 7 groups of 3 equals 2. Equals 2. Let's count. How many groups do we have here? 1. I'm going to ask the host to unmute you. Let's count the groups. Let's count the groups, all of us. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups of 3. Now we are doing repeated addition. We are going to write these numbers. 3, the first group, all these 3s, we are going to write them. Let's start. What are we writing here? 3. Add 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. We want, they must be the same as these groups. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Add 3. Add 3. Now let's count. Let's start counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 21. Our answer is 21. 21. Must take this 21 also here. 7 times 3 equals to 21. 21. 7 times 3 equals to 21. Can you see all our answers are the same? They are all the same. We have 21, meaning 7 times 3 equals to 21. We don't say 7 plus 3. We are multiplying. We are multiplying. 7 times 3 equals to 21. Are we all understanding? Do we understand? All of us, do we understand? Are we in the same page? Do we understand multiplication? We are counting the groups. We are counting the groups and we add the groups. Are we in the same page? If there's something that you don't understand, type for me there. Type for me so I can see what you don't understand. So if you are all now in the same page, take your page, take your paper. I want you to write this homework. I've done number 1 for you. Take a pen, a paper, write quickly, or take a screenshot. Start with the date. Remember grade 2s. Start with the date. The date for today is the 30th of April. Then you write Thursday with a cursive. I've asked any adult in the house, mommy, daddy, brothers, sisters, granny, help with cursive in the house. Because when we go to grade 3, we are going to write everything in cursive. So we start practicing in grade 2. You must see yellow and purple. Ne? I've repeated it, yellow and purple. It's the same number. Everybody is writing. One times 3, one group of 3 equals to 3. We multiply, no, this is not addition, it's multiplication. 2 times 3. 3, number 3, 3 times 3 equals to number 4, 6 times 3 equals to number 5, 7 times 3 equals to number 8 is the same as number 4. 6 times 3 equals to number 4 and number 8 are the same. I know you are clever. You are not going to say 7 plus 3. Remember, is the 3 is the groups. 6 groups of 3. 6 groups of 3. If you are done, raise your hand. I can see Bongi is done. If you are finished, raise your hand. 7, 8, 9. 9 finished. Raise your hand if you are done. Don't write the answers now. You'll write the class. It is your homework. Don't write answers now. Ten is finished. 10 is finished. Are we all done, grade 2? During the weekend, play with these numbers. Play with them, memorize them. Just ask anybody in the house, 2 times 3. Mommy, 2 times 3. 3 times 3. 6 times 3. Play with it until you learn it. Play with times 3. The whole weekend, play with it. Because maths is fun. Maths is fun. Is everybody finished? I saw only 10 hands. Is everybody finished? Musa is done. I can see your hand. I can see 11. Let us write finish, finish. I can see 12. Even if you took a screenshot, it's fine. Then you'll write it after. Then let's move. For today, we did counting in threes, repeated addition, that is multiplication. Then we also played our game. For Monday, tomorrow there is no school. It's a holiday, ne? For Monday, this is the lesson for us on Monday. I want you on Monday to come with water. Just put water in a bucket, put it in next to you there, and take a cup and take a bottle. It can be 1.5, it can be 2 liter. 2 liter or 1.5 or 1 liter. You can have 1 liter on Monday, come with water, put it in a bucket. Don't put it in the bottle, just put it in the bucket. Then you bring a cup also, and an empty bottle, 1 liter, 2 liter, not 5 liter, 1 liter or a 500, not more than 2 liters. We are going to do this on Monday. Have a nice long weekend. The host, unmute you. I want to hear you saying good. I want to hear everybody saying goodbye. I see you on Monday. And nice long weekend. Bye.
Teacher on Monday.
What a day!